Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will going to show you how to completely wipe a drive on Windows 10 or 11. You are selling your PC starting fresh or just freeing some space. Let's get started. So here's the method. Go to the search bar and open your PC. Now go to the select the drive which you want to format. For example, I want to format my F drive. Right click on it and tap on format option. Now it will format whole data whenever you tap on start button. Now what happen if you just only wipe free space? So go to the search bar and search Windows PowerShell here. Okay. Now you have to type the code which I am giving cipher space double space hash w colon capital X hash. Now tap on the enter button. So it will wipe your free space in your PC. So guys, this was a tutorial to how to wipe your format, your drive in Windows 11 or 10. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.